Want to know how to insert products into an email? I'm Potsch from Intentionally Creative, the industry's leading liquor store niche marketing agency. So let's start here from the dashboard, and we're going to go to the marketing menu. And then from marketing, let's go to campaigns. And just for purposes of the tutorial, let's start from scratch. So let's click on the plus icon here in the top right, and then let's click on create email campaign, and we're going to click on empty. So you can describe your campaign any which way you like. So I'm just going to put test. We're going to see what group it applies to, so you can actually let it go to everyone just to make sure it reaches all of your customers. For the subject line, put everything you'd like, so test subject, and then we can also put a preview text, so test preview. Perfect. Okay, now for the to put a product into your email, all you need to do is click here on the block side. You can put in 2 or 3 blocks or whichever number of blocks you'd like. So let's try with 2. Put those 2 blocks in there, drag it in, and then once you have this, you have your add content, add content. You click on X, and then go to content here, and you can drag the product tile into these boxes. So just drag that in. Drag that in. And to choose a specific product, all you need to do is double click on this and then click on find product. And there you have it. You just need to type the product that's in your database or in your store, and then click on that, and you'd put that product into your email. I hope this was able to help. For more City Hive tips and tricks, join our newsletter in the link below. If you're a liquor store looking to grow your online or in-store sales quickly, visit us at intentionallycreative.com.